Welcome back, folks, to another episode. Another 2019 event that I want to recognize is the Muscle Minibike Build-Off. That was a great event that those guys put on. They had good classes, great competition, and some epic bikes came out of it. For those of you that don't know, I built a 1970 Bonanza CR500 Hodaka chopper. It's the Bonanza chopper mini bike that they put a Hodaka Ace 100 E-Code 2-stroke motorcycle engine in. And yes, you could buy it from Bonanza like that back in the 70s. Bonanza had a handful of mini bikes that you could order with the Hodaka motorcycle engine. They had the chopper, they had the MX bike, and then they had the BC series, the BC 1300, 1400, and 1500 SH could all be ordered with the Hodaka engine. Other than that, your Bonanza probably came with a Tecumseh industrial engine on it. I didn't do a lot of filming back then, but I do have some content. I have some film and I have some photos that I'm going to put together in one video for us all to enjoy. I hope in 2021 someone puts together another mini bike build-off, and if they do, yes, I'm ready to enter. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below, and stick around because you're not going to want to miss this epic build. Stay tuned.
Alright, this is for the Muscle Mini Bike Build-Off. Today is Tuesday, January 1st, 2019, as shown here by the Mercury News. I will be entering the vintage class. I will be entering a 1970 Bonanza CR500 Hodaka chopper. This bike will come completely apart and be restored. Alright everyone, so this is the Bonanza CR500 Hodaka chopper build-off bike, vintage number V2. As you'll remember, I started with a complete bike. Now I'm down to a bare frame. We're looking around it. There were a couple weird things that were done to this. Someone has drilled some holes in the back of this bar. They had a little eye hook in here. Not sure why. Sit here and wonder what it was for. Anyways, we got to get these 2 holes on this side. There's 2 holes on the other side. Obviously, they're through holes. 4 holes back there on that back bar to weld up and fill. Jack shaft's now removed. The penetrating oil was a great idea. Everything just slid apart today. We got the rubber pegs off the actual front pegs. A little WD-40 helped us out with that as well. Engine plate looks good. There are a couple little areas that I want to look at once I get the paint off. Like right here, might need a little work. But other than that, this thing's ready. Get a little welding done to it. And be off for blasting and top coat. Stay tuned. Vintage V2.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.